Erin with Erin & Company at Long & Foster, and today I'm in Magnolia Green with Bethany at our newest listing. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and we want to share our top 3 favorite things with you. Come inside with us.
One of our favorite things about this home is the oversized kitchen with this amazing island that's perfect for entertaining.
Another one of our favorite things is a spacious owner suite with sitting area and his and her walk-in closets. And finally, who wouldn't love a fully finished basement with built-in media room, perfect for movie and game nights? If you have questions about this home or would like a personal tour, give our team a call today.